2. Okay, so this is me. This is the handle, got an extremely long arm. I pull that, pushes in the rod, pushes into here, wheels lock up, smoke, 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 smoke. So what we're going to do in part 2, we just seen the video of what I did in part 1. So what we're going to do here is, this is the, no wait a minute. This is the engine. So we've got a wheel here, wheel here, wheel here, wheel here. We've got, we'll use the hydro as a square, right? And then we've got the bias adjustment. So that goes before, so we'll do that as a circle, say. And we've got the T-pieces for the front and the rear. So we've got that. So, and then we've got the master, we'll do the master as like a box. Master cylinder. So there's 2 ports. So you'll do the front one, I think it's this one. It'll go into here, and then you'll do this one to this wheel, this one to this wheel. That's the front done. Really simple. This one, you'll take the rear, you'll go into the bias, out the bias, into the hydro, and now the hydro fitting, you'll find that that is not what you think it's the front one, it's actually the back you need to go into. So, I did that wrong. So you would go into the back of the hydro, and you would come from the front one, and go into the T-piece here, and then you go to that wheel, and that wheel. Done! Fuck, I need to clean my board again. Fuck it out! Right, less talking, more action. There we go. Okay, now you're all level. Right, less talking, more work. Right, what we're gonna do, you need your tools, so you can get that off at eBay. Putting brake shite to get it. It's copper pipe, I've got about a roll and a half. Some heat shrink, that's going to go over, we're going to slide it over this, so put that in there, slide it over, and you can heat it, and you can do copper pipe whatever colour you want. Looks quite nice. Hydro fittings, you get them on eBay, just put in hydro fittings. You should find them, you can leave a link below for that. A bias adjuster, so I've put the fittings in already, and put some bolts. T-pieces, you'll find that on eBay as well. And ABS unit, keep a hold of that if you take off your Rx8. There's some good fittings that are very, very hard to find. It's just they're bigger fittings with a small pipe in them, so keep the ABS thing, it might come in handy for this project or another one. Let's get to it. I'm just going to time lapse the whole thing, and then you can see the finished thing. Let's go.
That's not meant to happen. I've got a new bias valve coming from Miguel's Motorsport, so waiting on that, and then I guess we'll have to do a part 3 and get some skids on the go with it. Bye bye.